Now, there are a lot of stuff that people can do on Facebook to make money. Now, make sure that you watch this video to an end, and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time, and also don't forget to share this content. And there is one tab on Facebook that you have not come to realize of. Now, this is called Marketplace. Maybe you have seen it on your Facebook page, but today I'm going to show you how you can use this tab to make money. Now, when we talk about Facebook Marketplace, is a section on Facebook that you can sell products. Yes. So if you have any used or new product, you can list it here. And one thing about it is that it works within a location. So you can sell to people around your vicinity or where exactly you are. Now, this is how you can make money with this Facebook Marketplace. Now, one thing is that, first of all, let me show you where you can get product to sell. Now, if you are looking for where to get product, you can visit AliExpress. AliExpress is one of China's biggest retail marketplace that you can also get cheap items, and then you can buy them, ship them to your country, and then you'll be selling them locally to your people wherever that you are. You can also check out Alibaba. Alibaba is also one of the recognized websites that you can also buy from there and then sell. So now let's go back to Facebook here. So if you have come to your Facebook, now check at the top here, you could see so many tabs. This one is home, this is for video, and this is the marketplace. So we are in marketplace, and you can see there are a lot of people who have listed their items. I can change in the location of what I want to see here. That means if I want to buy something from these people who have listed based on my location, now you can check the location here. You can also switch your location from this end. So what do you have to sell? If you have a used product or you have a brand new product, you can quickly list it. So let me show you how to quickly list an item on Facebook Marketplace. So you click on the create new list. Now when you click on the create new list, it takes you to this section where you can choose item for sale or vehicle for sale. Maybe if you have some cars or trucks or any other vehicles, you can list it and sell it. You also have maybe a house or apartment for rent. You can also list it here. So the marketplace, one of the best ways you can reach out your items to people. So here in our example, we're going to use item for sale. So I'll click on item for sale. So when you click on the item for sales, it comes with a form for you to fill. So over here, we can upload the photos of whatever that we want to sell. So let me just go and choose some items that we want to sell. So I'll browse my computer, and then probably I'll go to pick these items. So let me just select by holding Control from my keyboard. So I want to select almost these items. You can load up to 10 pictures. That means the item that you want to list on Facebook to sell, you can list up to 10 images. So here I've uploaded this item. I bought this item online and I want to sell it. At the end of the day, you can make big profit when it comes to so. So here I'll put in the item title. So what is it? Maybe power bank. So let me put a nice caption. All right, so here I'll set in the price. So probably maybe when you buy it, you have to add your profit margins to it. So here in the case, I'm going to sell it like 250. That is 250 Ghana cedis. You can choose your country. So if you are in a different country, you have your currency there. And then the category. So over here, I'll go to appliances. The condition of it, is it used, new, or is used first? So here it's a new product, so I'll just put new. Now you can provide much information about whatever you are adding. So if you have a brand, you can add a brand there. All right, so this place you can leave it if you don't have much details for the item. Now here you can put a description here. So I recommend that where you got the items from, you can choose from that. So I got this thing from Jumia. So I can just go down to the description of the item and then maybe copy a little bit of it from here. So let me just put it, or let me just copy this as description, and then let's go to Facebook here, and then we'll paste our descriptions here. So this is a whole description for the item that I want to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Now if you have product tags, you can put it there. You can leave all these things by default, and then the location where you want this item to be visible to people is very important. So maybe if you are within a locality, then you can choose your location. So over here you can set locations that you want to sell the item. So let me just pick Accra. So when you come here you will see preferences here. So how do you want the items to get to the buyer? So we have door pickups, door drop off, and then so you choose a convenient way. So if it's door pickup or public meetup, that means you will meet at a public location and pick it up, or you drop off at the buyer's door. So that is like a door-to-door delivery. So let me pick this one. Now when you finish, you just go to next. So here you can see the information that you just added from here. So that's my title, and then this is the description for the item, and these are the photos so that users can go through and select. So let me go to next. Now so when you come here, you can also choose to list the items on various groups. Now you see that when you have groups, it also helps to push your items very well. So if you don't want to push it to any group, you can just leave it there and just click on publish. So here is going to go to the Facebook Marketplace. That will be publicly seen by anyone that comes to Facebook, and by the location that you have set is very, very important. So when you are adding it there, you need to be very careful which location that you have option for. So here our item has been listed. Now how do people get to know this? As they comes to Marketplace, they will be seeing your list also there, and they can interact with you through Messenger to see how the item is, and they can make pictures of it. All right, so now that we have listed our item, in case you realize that there was a mistake with your listing, how do you make changes to it? Now when you come to this side, that is, or you go to your listing, you see it over here, and then you click on this three dots here, so we can choose to edit it. Here you can mark it as pending, that is to be place it on hold. This is to view your listing, that is to view how it is. If you have messages from your items, you can also check it out here. So when you click on edit, the edit will send you back to where you can edit the items, but make sure that when you are done, you click on the update. All right, so that's how you can edit it. Now if you want to view how it will show up onto people, you can click on the view listing, and this is how your item that you have listed, people can scroll through the various pictures, and now that is it. When people find this item on the Marketplace, don't forget that the Marketplace is open to everyone. Facebook has millions of users that comes there every day, so it's likely for your item to be seen. I've tried it. I've sold one or two couple items on Facebook through the Marketplace, and I've tested it. It's working. So you can give it a try and then see how you can also make money if you want to engage in buying and selling. Either you buy from your local area, or you can buy from an online and then you list it on Facebook and be selling it. So that's how you can use Facebook Marketplace to generate some income. So if you are not working, you can take this as a serious business, and I tell you, you can make good money. Feel free to ask any question, and also you can share this video to help others, and please subscribe to our channel. Now let's go together and make money. See you in my next video. Bye bye.